Welcome back to our channel, where we share all the latest and greatest tips, tricks, and news about latest technology and artificial intelligence to help you succeed with your daily life and business. If you remember, a couple of months ago, we just created a video on how to boost your Fiverr sales with ChatGPT that you can watch on our channel by clicking the link in the description or by just clicking on the top right corner of this video. Today, we have an amazing success story to share with you. One of our subscribers, Sarah, used our tutorial on how to boost your Fiverr sales with ChatGPT, and she saw an incredible 500% increase in her sales. Before using ChatGPT, Sarah struggled to get sales on Fiverr despite having multiple gigs. She realized that her gig descriptions were not engaging enough and she was not using the right keywords to attract potential buyers. Sarah stumbled upon our tutorial and decided to give it a try. From our video, she learned how to use ChatGPT to rewrite her existing low-quality gig descriptions and generate targeted keywords for her gigs. With ChatGPT, Sarah was able to create professional gig descriptions that attracted potential buyers, and she saw an increase in her gig views and sales. Let's have a look at some of Sarah's sales pages and account from the backend. For privacy reasons, we will be hiding her profile URL and some other information from her original account. Here's her gig statistics page. Unfortunately, we can only browse for up to 1 month record here, but no worries. We will show you her all past 3 months analytics and earnings. Her impressions for this particular gig that she implemented the changes on are reached to 37,000 now, and look, her gig's performance is dramatically increasing. This is just a 1 month statistics. It was worse when she started the changes after watching our video. Let's have a look at her earnings and all the orders she got after making those changes we suggest for using the ChatGPT artificial intelligence. Here are her earnings and the orders she had until December. This is what her account was generating for her before applying the changes. Let's change the date to when she made the changes. She started making the changes in January, so let's apply a filter for the entire month of January to see what orders she received and how much earnings she has after making those changes. Wow, amazing! She made really good progress after making the changes. You can see a clear increase in her account earnings and the number of orders she received. Now let's take a look at the month of February, which is the second month of optimizations. Just apply the filters and see the results. Let me scroll all the way down to the end of the results to see how much she earned and how many orders she received in her second month. Wonderful! It seems she received more orders than in the first month of these changes. Today is March 2nd, and I'm recording this video. It's only been 2 days into the new month, so let's take a look at her progress for the third month. Let me set another filter for the month of March, which only has 2 days so far. Great. It seems she's having a wonderful third month with her earnings too. Sarah is thrilled with the results, and she couldn't believe that her sales had increased by 500%. She now has a steady stream of orders and is enjoying the financial freedom that comes with being a successful freelancer. If you're struggling to get sales on Fiverr, we highly recommend trying out our tutorial on how to boost your Fiverr sales with ChatGPT. As Sarah's success story shows, ChatGPT can be a valuable tool for Fiverr sellers looking to improve their sales by creating more engaging and professional gig descriptions and increasing the visibility of their gigs through targeted keywords. We hope this success story has inspired you to take action and boost your sales on Fiverr. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and success stories like this one.